Welcome back to Writford. Let's bring your files in and connect your tools. Moving a whole firm into Writford starts in one place. On the Matters page, click Import Matters. From here, you can pull in folders straight from Microsoft OneDrive, from Google Drive, coming soon, or upload them from your own computer. Each top-level folder becomes its own matter, so your existing filing system maps across in a single pass. Importing from OneDrive is a guided migration. Writford opens your real OneDrive right inside the app. Browse your folders, search your whole drive, and tick the ones you want to turn into matters. Then it scans them, reading only the file details and never downloading anything, and tells you plainly whether they'll fit your storage. A green fits, an amber tight, or a red too large, before a single file moves. On the review screen, you see the file type breakdown. Choose to mirror your subfolder structure and skip anything you've already imported. And if a folder's name clashes with a matter you already have, Writford asks you, folder by folder, merge into the existing one or create a new separate matter. Every import is a managed job, not a fire and forget gamble. The Imports page groups them into in-flight, saved for later, and finished, with live progress as the files come in. You can save a plan to run later, cancel one mid-flight, retry just the files that failed, or delete a finished job once you're done. Nothing gets duplicated, and you can always see exactly what came in. No cloud storage? Upload straight from your computer. Choose Upload a folder, and each subfolder becomes its own matter. Or upload loose files, which all go into a single matter you name. Writford checks your storage first, shows you a clear fit banner, then uploads file by file with a live progress bar. In minutes, your local drive becomes a structured set of matters. Writford comes to your inbox too. Under Settings, Connectors, connect your Microsoft 365 account and download the Writford Outlook add-in. Once it's installed, open any email and click Writford to draft a reply, rewrite a message, or link the email straight to its matter without ever leaving Outlook. And you stay in control of how everything connects. Under Security, Connected Accounts shows your sign-in providers, email, Google, and Microsoft, to link or unlink with guardrails so you can never lock yourself out. And under Usage, a storage meter shows exactly how much space you've used, the very same figure that powers every Imports fit check, so you're never caught out. That's Imports and Integrations, your whole firm brought in and connected. See you in the next one.